तो दुआ हुआ पड़ा है कि नहीं पड़ेगा?
दुआ के लिए मौलवी रखा हुआ है। हाँ, दुआ के लिए मौलवी है ना।
नहीं नहीं, हमें वो उसकी चाहिए।
Say one bad thing about everyone.
तो भाई तुम्हारे पास 7-8 मिनट है, मेरे पार्किंग के 10 मिनट।
चार्जर में से लेना, डाल देना 1 घंटा और। भाई दुआ करवा रहा नहीं करवा रहा?
क्या दुआ मांगूं?
जो करवाता है माशाल्लाह सबके लिए।
Dua is only that inshallah we'll be in touch, all of us, and may Almighty bless all of us with good health, happiness, and I know what Mohsin bhai is expecting, so
हाँ
मजा नहीं आ रहा,
यू नेवर रीच माय एक्सपेक्टेशंस।
मजा नहीं आ रहा।
नहीं आ रहा।
अब बताओ
नेवर बैठे, नेवर बैठे, तकलीफ लंबी है। मेरे पार्किंग का एक्सटेंड लंबी है।
पार्किंग एक्सटेंड कर दे
ये वो मौलवियों वाली दुआ होगी ना, अल्लाह आपके सारे दुश्मनों को नीच तो नाबूद करे।
सारे मुसलमान बोले आमीन। हाँ असली वाली
यार करवा देना वो दुआ यार।
तभी है ना, प्रोफेशनल को लेके हम लोग।
नवंबर 2014
5 दिन और 4 घंटे।
So Yasir, okay, officially this is a favor organized by your close group of friends. जितने सारे close थे, हम ऑफिस में तो कल हो ही रही, तुझे पता ही है। But we wanted to do something special for you.
थैंक यू
So
दुबई से रुखसती है।
exactly, मतलब it's painful, but we all are happy and everybody said that you know, मतलब तेरे जैसे बंदा जा रहा है, तो आई एम श्योर कि हर बंदा अंदर से दुखी है, बट तेरे लिए सोच के और जहाँ पे हम हैं उसको सोच के लाइक हैप्पी फॉर यू।
आई थॉट आप बोलने वाले हो कि तेरे से बंदा जा रहा है, नौकरी मिलेगी तो अभी मिल ही जाएगी।
मुझे भी लगा कि जा रहा
है मेरे पास बोलने को, मैं बोलने के लिए है, बट ऑफिशियल हो रहा है।
ऑफिशियल होता है।
तो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट जावेद भाई प्लीज़ पहले खड़े हो जाए, आप खड़े हो जाए, सिर्फ खड़े हो जाए। मुन्ना भाई आप भी प्लीज़ खड़े हो जाए। मुन्ना हाँ ये आप लोग ज़रा एक छोटा सा टोकन है।
आपसे मैं बाहर वाला आदमी हूँ।
थैंक यू सो मच।
तो मे बी जावेद भाई एंड मुन्ना भाई वांट टू से समथिंग बिफोर यू गो, बट देन योर टर्न विल कम इन द एंड टू से अबाउट योर फीलिंग्स। यहाँ पे आप वो बोल सकते हैं जो आप कल नहीं बोलने वाले हैं। पहले आप
Yasir, I think Yasir deserves more than what he always can. I work with so many people. He's special. He's special, and his ability to learn and take control, which probably people don't understand. So many people we do learn, but they don't take control. Yasir basically learn and then take control and take the responsibility, even the decision making. My last couple of years was such a blessing that he was always basically taking decision on my behalf, and 99% times on the right side. So that's something. Keep doing this. Always remain happy. खुराक अच्छी खाना, हार्ट को प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए.
एक्सरसाइज करना.
Walk shop. Keep walking. But this is the bad side of Yasir. He is lazy. That's something he needs to change. I don't think he will change, but please take good care of him. And always be happy.
over to you, Munna bhai.
I think most has been said, but 2 things. One, as Yasir got involved with our department, reviewing our policies as well, so I got to experience basically not only his skill, his credentials, but the fact that what we experience with other functions within the bank, we didn't encounter that. It was focused towards what really made a difference, what was material, and focused on issues, not giving feedback for the sake of feedback. So on the professional side, that was my experience with him, and also of course hearing him all the time, engaging with other functions and departments, you could tell, how much his input makes a difference. His bosses, his boss's reliance on Yasir is evidence enough that, you know, it's one of those things that जितनी काबिलियत दिखाओगे उतना ही और आप पे डाला जाएगा. So that's evidence by itself, you know, how competent and how deserving he is for far more than even what he's getting. The second aspect is, you know, the reason why we all continue in this function and in this department is the personality of the people who are around and what they contribute to the overall atmosphere and ambience of the place. And it's a very sad loss on both counts. But I wish you all the best, and I'm sure you'll make your mark in the new place within even hours of landing there. So all the best.
So Yasir, 10 साल has been an amazing journey because kind of he's senior to me, but I was his senior in the team, but it never worked or felt it at all at any given point in time. Differences, acceptances, everything was taken as professionally as possible. I was always nervous. Sometimes for a short time I was your manager as well. But I was nervous to the extent that it was never mattered. It was all smooth, hands-on, autopilot. And I think for me, I'm most happy for him is because of his health. Most happy, and I couldn't bear that. His health was like something that I was very concerned about. So, will be missed for sure. Of course, you're not going anywhere, so we'll be in touch. But a big loss. I think big loss for me because I could pick your brains at any given point and say, "That's it, kya lagta hai?" And I will do that on the call. Don't worry about it. But yeah, a big loss for the organization and for Mohsin in particular. Bring in the tissue papers.
Just wanted to add actually, during my many years, most of the people in the organization always thought that these two are my favorite. And I tell you honestly, from the work side, they were always favorite.
Getting the work.
बजाओ ताली, खत्म हो गया. ताली बजाओ.
देखो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम तो यहाँ पर हुआ नहीं है, लेकिन यहाँ पर आने के बाद यासर के साथ 2-3 चीज़ें जो बड़ी सही थी. सूट के मैं हर चीज़ में सूट की बात
तेरे आने के बाद छोड़ दिया उसने. तेरे आने के बाद छोड़ दिया.
हाँ नहीं, फिर तो शुरू किया ना, और झूठ बोल के भी. नॉनदलेस यार अमेजिंग ह्यूमन बीइंग. काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें लोग बोल चुके हैं, लेकिन जो हमारे डिस्कशन होते थे on the religious side and on the interpretation of religion and mostly on the अरे नहीं सही बात है भाई. But I think amazing guy. Wish you all the very best. The floor will be very quieter. And normally when I heard it from Mohsin, immediately called him and said all the very best. And he really works for the department, for the team. Good for him. All the very best. Take good care of your health. Okay. Friday, just 4 of us on the floor. For the player. Chalo ji, take care.
We'll revert to open door policy now.
Yasir is both my brother and my mentor. I have learned a lot of things from him, from work perspective and from personal perspective. I will surely miss him very much. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much.
The two people I call bhai, like I call Javed.
कुछ शुक्र.
So I remember the first week when I came, I was like, why are you calling Yasir bhai? I said, क्योंकि मुझे भाई वाली feeling आती है. And that is only because the moment we joined, Shafiq and I joined together. I think Mustafa and Javed, so that I think told from the top both there. Mustafa and Yasir never made us feel like somebody we were reporting to or whatever. It was always like the operational risk team was so close knit and still is with Hussam and all of these guys. So it felt like home. Like for me, I'm sure for all of us it's going to be a great loss because we're going to miss all the chit chat and all the banter and all the fruitful discussions. I mean, even though I moved like within NFR, I would always call Yasir for any of his opinions and whatever. And he has valuable input at all times. So Yasir, I will miss you. Yasir, I will miss you. But you're just next door, and we will meet. And I'm truly very happy for you. You deserve this and much
क्या जी बैठो जी
He just got
Yeah.
married. They congratulate him because he's happy for next, I think, 2-3 weeks.
Then he realized the real life after marriage.
First, as I told you, I'm trying to convince myself that Yasser will, going on leave for 2 months, 3 months, and he will come back. I'm sure. Inshallah, he will come back. I may, close to one, best leader in the world, but I'm sure that again, a big brother for me. I want to thank you for your support. Not only in the job, not during only my journey in the IT, but also my personal group, taking care of everything, my personal life and business life. You make my journey so easier in the IT. I always saying what I should learn. Of course, I recently last year I joined VIP. My first job in UAE. I thought I need 3 years, to learn everything about rules, regulation, product in UAE. But you make me learn everything in 1 year. You give me all the space, the exposure. You believe in me, and to be honest, I had a lot of manager, but I didn't learn as much I learned from you in the last year. Especially in leadership skills, making a decision, a challenge, and managing, all these meetings with different types of people. Learn to listen. Thank you. I know I'm bad listener, but
we know
YouTube. So I know you get the best, and I hope you find better than the IT. You will find better than the IT, but you will be always there for our support.
Actually, I was lucky to have experience to work with Yasser in the same team and within a different team. And he just demonstrated his high capability to extend support regardless where he is. And he's one who's very passionate about his work. He cares about the team. He can carry the team. And if everybody is requiring the support, he never says no to any help that is required. And in fact, he missed big time. I said no. I mean, the quality he shows, the type of relationship he has with his colleagues is different. And most of luck. Thank you.
From my side, yes, you've read from all these guys. I think that's testimony enough of the good things that you have contributed to the bank. I don't think we've got enough words to thank Yasser in terms of his contribution that he's made. Right? Relatively to most of you, I'm newer, but his impact has been very massive, and it's a side block to us. But at the same time, we want him to do well. We are happy that he's going to a place that can take him to the next stage of his life. So we'd like to encourage you, we'd like to thank you, and any support that you need, please. In where I come from, we say once family, always family. So that's what I want you to know, that you will always be part of us. And hopefully we will also be part of you. So the journey continues, the family is growing bigger. So let's continue to work together. Thank you again, and all the best to all. Thank you.
So everyone told about his professional life, and considering as a human, he is one of the best. And even though technically he is younger than me, I consider him as my elder brother. If any problem, we can approach anytime. We really miss.
You're right. I'm right. ना भाई वाला feeling आता है ना?
सबका भाई, यार भाई,
Basically, one of the most very few people है जिस लोगों के अंदर जिसके लिए जो है ना कुछ भी काम हो ना यासर भाई ये प्रॉब्लम है, चाहे वो पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम हो, चाहे वो ऑफिस से रिलेटेड हो, कुछ भी हो, यासर भाई का तरीका है अच्छा ओके, फिर ही गिव 1 or 2 lines solution, that's it. जितनी भी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड चीज़ हो, एक यासर भाई जावेद साहब मुस्तफ़ा के पास जब भी मैं गया हूँ सबसे मोस्ट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड चीज़ों को इतनी आसानी से समझा देते थे कि यार बेटा इसके अंदर ना ये जाके इतना सा रिस्क देख लेना, इससे कवर हो जाएगा सब. एंड सीरियसली यासर भाई थैंक यू वेरी मच. I've learned a lot, both personally, professionally. और मैं यासिर भाई के सामने नहीं, जो लोग मेरे जानते हैं इवन फिडोरा, I've said it at to them in person कि यार अगर कुछ सीखना है ना मैं यासिर भाई जावेद भाई से पूछता हूँ किस तरह करना है, वो लोग बोलते हैं इस तरह कर लो हो जाएगा. So that's a big learning for me. Thank you very much.
Yasir Bhai is a wonderful line manager for me, and I've joined DIP, and this is my first bank in Dubai. This is my first experience in Dubai, so there are very different aspects for me as a new job. So Yasir Bhai carries me and always there to support me, to guide me whenever I'm in a challenging situation. So he's one of the best supervisors with I've worked. And I always respect Yasir Bhai, not as a line manager, but also as my elder brother. And he's also there, always there, except work. Whenever I ask him his guidance for any other thing for my personal, he's always there, always guiding me. And I'm very thankful for him. I've learned a lot from him. And I wish him all the best for his new journey. And please take care of your health as well. And may God bless you.
नहीं लास्ट नहीं है, तेरे लिए तेरे लिए एक टास्क है. तू जो भी बोलेगा विदाउट एक्चुअली.
हाउ कैन इज पॉसिबल सर?
हाँ मैं अब काउंट करूँगा.
नेक्स्ट
आपको स्टार्ट ही करें.
स्टार्ट करें. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल all the best for your future, all in the best. Second thing, we have been for last 10 to 11 years. 10 years now. We have a contact teams actually like Mustafa, Yasi, some colleagues. If any finding any difficulty in a discussion, we are the guy. First, we actively used to with Mustafa, Yasi. Now Yasi, Mustafa. Now Mustafa and AFC. One thing I just want to add, for any things, earlier Javed Sahab was there always. Now, everything actually will be missing a little bit because wherever we are any challenge and issue, Yasir is to be the best person for us to discuss, guide, you remember that, and resolve so many things actually by discussing, sitting together, brainstorming and resolving. Will be missing here. Will be challenging because challenge will be further for me. Next Yasir, you can always next Yasir is coming. We will be disturbing Mustafa. Be ready for that. Correct and for guidance. All the best. This you will know that.
Some people, when you meet them for the first time, you feel that you know them since a long time. And that's why I feel when you meet Javed Sahab and Yasir Bhai. So personally, I like you and wish you good luck. And we miss you.
चलो सारा विजय हाँ सीजन
तनवीर की चाय के चक्कर में तनवीर को ले जाता.
यासिर लिटरली उसको कैसे तनवीर कामचोर चाय देते. कल भी बोल रहे थे कितना
विजय अच्छा बोलो चलो बोलो यासिर भाई जा रहे हैं, आपको पता है, तो अब आपके क्या ख्याल है, क्या दिल में जो है वो बोलो.
नहीं आप खेलते थे इसलिए मैं बोलूँगा और खेलने कोई नहीं करेगा, मुझे मालूम है आपकी तरह कोई नहीं कर सकता. नहीं याद बहुत याद है. ऑल द बेस्ट.
Thank you, Yasir Bhai, for everything.
थैंक यू.
हाँ यासिर भाई सबने बोल दिया, अब आप वाइंड अप करें. सबने अपनी अपनी फीलिंग जाहिर की है.
पहले तू बोलेगा, बकवास मत कर.
मुझसे नहीं बोला जाएगा. नहीं बोला जाएगा.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ तुम बराबर.
नहीं
अरे यार बराबर.
भाई का स्पेस भाई है. भाई का स्पेस भाई है. भाई का स्पेस भाई है.
So, first of all, thank you so much for all the kind words. You can evidently see, right? You guys will be losing one person, and I will be losing all of you. So it is much difficult for me to carry on with this. But whatever has been said by all the team members, credit goes to one person, that's Javed sir. So this is all because even today I was in Nada and everyone was asking for this gentleman. Where is Javed sir? How is he doing? Are you in touch with him? What will happen after you? When Javed left, he said Mustafa and Yasir are there. Now, will Mustafa be there?
दुआ करो दुआ करो
Mustafa is another team. He has other things to handle. So the idea is that this is how I was trained in DIB to provide solutions, not to advise that what is wrong with the proposal and all, because that everyone knows. And that is something which we continue to learn for the entire last 10 years from Javed sir. So this all credit goes to you, boss. Thank you so much. And apart from this, I am not going anywhere. I will be here only. I will obviously remain in touch with each one of you because I have a different relationship with everyone. So obviously there are few exceptions, like Mohsin Bhai is one, Mustafa is another one. Obviously each and every one of you, my team, and when I say my team, it's not only ORA team. So we always work like as one team. I hardly recall any incident wherein either Fedora stand up and say this is not my domain, or someone stand up and say no, this is not fraud job. So whatever comes to your mind, it is always an opinion is always welcome. So my advice and my request to at least my team is to continue with this spirit, because that makes life easier instead of having friction. I am not saying that you should not be asserting yourself, because as few of you mentioned, I have fights also. So I am not a very such a person that everyone likes. But the idea is that you need to take, because you have different KPIs, others have different KPIs, you need to stick to your objectives and all. And others will start respecting your opinion. But first you need to create an impact. And as long as you able to make an impact, then they will start listening to you. Maybe not in 1 year, 2 years, after 3 years, 4 years. So please continue with this. And on the personal side, there's much to say, and I'm not sure where to start, where to end, because I had few problems in the last 2-3 years, medical problems, issues, heart attack, and this and that. So
Minor issues, heart attack.
Yeah. So
doctor come there
obviously, this is something which I'm not sure I need to say it or not, but I can see Mustafa standing next to my bed at 5 a.m. in the morning. When I woke up, he was there. And I'm not sure since when he was there.
And what he was doing there.
Cutting some wires, I saw him.
Nurse,
So, Mohsin Bhai was not well at that time, but he was kind of a coordinator that from this time you will be there.
No, he assumes it.
Yeah.
If there is a medical emergency, Mustafa assumes his responsibility.
Exactly. So, this is something which you don't expect in profile. Even whatever kind of an organization you work, maybe people are good, but you don't expect this much of. Like when I was in the hospital, like I cannot recall who was not there, and my wife was saying that there was a time when doctors started saying that you need to tell people to go. It's an hospital. So nurse was kind enough, he was there. I saw Adil Bhai operated, his knee was operated, and he was like on the walker, tuck, tuck, tuck. He was standing there.
And for that actually, you were the only person for whom he can. Where is he?
कहीं और बिरयानी खा
So I have different bond with each one of you, and after Javed Sahab left DIB, there are few people who we assume that they are now Javed Sahab for us. Munawar Sahab is one of them. I may not say it in front of him, I may not, but in the back of our mind, we know that somebody is there. Mohsin Bhai is one of me, Mustafa always. Me and Mustafa, like, he started acting like a clone. Raising same comments, same fight, same responses. So, initial days, he was the one, because as Rehan highlighted, DIB was my first job in. So I was not aware of any regulation, local laws, how things work here. So he was always there, and we started from there, and now it's been 10 years. That's it. Thank you so much, everyone. Remember me in your prayers, and
I just want to add one thing, and that's probably very important for you all guys to understand and probably make a note. It's very important when you start working. So me and Munawar started working together, and it could have been a different organization, different type of working environment. The way we do, basically trusted each other, work together, that has created an environment. All of you are now looking at what environment it is. It's probably the way we started trusting each other. Environment was not conducive. People were not right around us. But for so many years, we can have a blind trust with each other. Absolutely. And that respect, and that basically made everybody else started becoming part of that system. So anybody joining in felt the same kind of warmth, trust, confidence, and then build that relationship. I think probably we both need to be appreciated for that, because that's the environment. Because that is very difficult. We never met. We are very different people. Me and Munawar are very different people.
Poles apart.
And for both of us to basically stay friends, family, whatever you call it, and it's a blind thing, absolutely blind. And you're just enjoying that environment. Otherwise, if a stinky relationship, then every department is have that. So alhamdulillah, that's what it is. So what Yasir, Mustafa, people will have their own issues actually. But I think probably the most important thing is you start trusting the other first, and then expect them to trust you. That's how it works.
Yes, sir, we have one demand. He should speak.
That's why. Try to be the same like the rest of us.
Shula bhai.
हाँ भाई तो
यही तो बस होगी.
पानी वानी पहले
रोने का नहीं. Listening चाहिए.
मैंने सोचा था कि मैं I won't say any words for Yasir today or tomorrow. It's very difficult, very difficult for me to open up for Yasir, because he is as close to me as like bhai. He's everybody's brother, but the two people like who are the closest to me as my younger brother, because I only have one younger brother who is currently in Canada. I have not met him for, years apart. We separated like in 1998 or 1999. But then when I came to, these people joined DIB. So Mustafa was the first one, and I told him, and exactly the same words I said for Yasir, that yeah, I have a younger brother in Canada, but you guys are much more closer to me than even my brother Mason. So it's very difficult, and now I can relate the pain of letting somebody so close to you to let go. But that's what life is all about.
What let
He's
go?
not
मोहल्ले में
going
रहता
anywhere.
है. तुम्हारे मोहल्ले में रहता है.
Not going anywhere actually.
But still, I'm like
शायद वाला एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा नहीं है बस.
meeting.
नकल मकानी कर दी उसने.
No, but
No,
फंस
it's-
गया. He cannot go out, come in.
हाँ,
He's stuck.
बस ये है कि बहुत सारी दुआएं यासिर के लिए, and inshallah, of course, everybody will stay in touch. Even Javed bhai भी touch में अभी भी. So touch में रहने का सवाल तो पैदा होता नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि touch में नहीं रहेंगे. No matter where you go, you will be, as MC said, you become part of a family. So, but yes, wishing him all the best. And he's a star who has shined here, and he'll continue to shine wherever he goes.
स्टार परफॉर्मर तुम्हें मिला
हाँ?
स्टार परफॉर्मर तुम्हें मिला
Star performer.
भाई मेरे कार्ड की लाइन पढ़ रहे हैं मेरे कार्ड पे
I swear man.
देख लिखा है, पढ़ लेना.
कसम से किसी का कार्ड नहीं पड़ा. मैं तो तुझे डांट रहा था.
और आपको मना किया था पढ़ने के लिए
हाँ, exactly. Thank you, Shiraz.
तू लाइन पढ़ना, तू पढ़ना कर ला.
Seriously, मैंने बनाया. It's coming from the heart.
तो दोनों की अंग्रेजी कमजोर है आगे बढ़ो.
So all the best. पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद. भाई छुट्टा माना चलो.